The Carpenter's Family. In a small town lived a carpenter named Michael. He lived with his wife, Tanya, his 8-year-old son, Jason, and his old father, Henry. Due to his old age, Henry would often forget where his things were kept. His grandson, Jason, would always help him to find his things. Old Henry would also doze off at the dinner table while eating. The sound of him snoring would irritate Michael a lot. At night, Henry's hands would tremble due to cold. He would sometimes accidentally drop his dinner plate on the floor. You better behave yourself, old man. Stop troubling all of us. The next time you drop a plate, I will make you clean the floor. Michael yelled at his father. Every day, Jason would observe the way his father spoke to his grandfather. He felt very bad about it. One night, he asked his mother for the key to his father's wood shop. I want to make a special gift for daddy, he said. So she gave him the key. Jason spent the whole night working in the wood shop. The next morning, Michael came to the shop and asked, "What are you making, little Sam?" Jason showed him a wooden bowl that he had made. "What is this for?" asked Michael. "I have made this for you. When you grow old, I will serve you dinner in this. This bowl is unbreakable," said Jason. Michael's eyes were filled with tears. His son's action made him realize that he was treating his father very badly. He immediately went to Henry and apologized. He said, "Papa, I am very sorry for yelling at you. Please forgive me." The old man simply patted his back lovingly and said, "It is all right, my son." Michael made his father his favorite pancakes and the family had breakfast together. Moral of the story is be kind and caring and respect each other. I know you all have understood the story and you all are ready to give the answers. So now we'll answer the following. After every question, I'll wait for 10 seconds so that you can also think answer and try to give the answer. Okay, let's start. Our first question. What work did Michael do? Answer is Michael was a carpenter. Moving on to second question. Who helped old Henry find his things? I'll wait for your answer. So you have to try to give all the answers. Answer is Jason helped old Henry to find his things. I know you all have thought this answer only. Moving on to third question. Why did Jason feel bad? Answer is Jason felt bad because every day he would observe the way his father spoke to his grandfather. Fourth question. What did Jason make for his father? I know you all can give this answer. Jason made wooden bowl for his father. Very good. You all are trying to give answers. Let us move to fifth question. Do you think our parents feel when we don't respect or listen to them? Now this answer you all will try to write in your book. This is your homework. Question E is your homework. Let us move to our question number 2. Write T for true and F for false statement. I am reading A question. Michael lived with his wife, 8-year-old son and his old father. You have to try to give me answer, true or false. Answer is true. B question. Tanya helped old Henry when he forget where his things were kept. I'm waiting for your answer. Answer is false. F. Why this question is false? Because Tanya was not helping Henry. Who was helping? Jason was helping. Moving on to C question. Michael behaved badly with his father. True or false? Try to give me answer. Answer is true. Next question. D1. Jason made a wooden bowl for Henry. Try to give the answer. This is very easy one. Answer is false. Why false? Because Jason made a wooden bowl for Michael, not Henry. E question. Jason made Michael realize that he did not respect his father. True or false? I'm waiting for your answers. Answer is true. Moving on to F question. Michael made pancake for Henry. True or false? Answer is true.